So today's Mother Day. I hope all y'all enjoy buying y'all mother something very special. Today will be my day right now, but seems like my mom is not here at all. So I would just love to give a shout out to all mothers, all kids that's buying their mom something very special. Because today is Mother Day, and I know how important today is. I know how important, how it feels to love your mom. I know how it is to be there for her. So I would love to improve this message to all mothers out there. Y'all all enjoy your day. Make sure the food is right. Make sure your daughters and your sons buy something very special. Make sure you take your mom out to dinner. Make sure you treat your mom in a very special place. Make sure you write her a letter, even if she incarcerated or she in jail. That's one of 5 options for you. Enjoy your Mother Day. Have a good day from your boy, aka Almighty Pimp Mode. And it's pretty damn hot outside, so I would love to update my YouTube channel. Follow me at aka Almighty Pimp Mode, or you can follow me on Facebook. Tell me what your comments. Leave a comment, and I will get back up to you. Um, to all my young daughters, ladies, sons out there, buy your mom something, just a little something. Don't buy her anything too expensive because she might look at it and say, "Why you bought this for me?" You tell your mom, "Mom, I done this for you because I love you." Uh, bathroom. But yeah, just follow me at AKA Umadi Pimp Mode, and follow me on my YouTube channel, Keith Gregory, which is about to be changed today. You know what I'm saying? But change the title of the name. Follow me on my pimp mode, and I will improve this message, and I will get back to you. So, all ladies, all sons, all daughters, all moms, whatever you call it, happy Mother's Day, and turn the fuck up. Holla.